Hi guys, so we are here at the Festival in Amsterdam and we are releasing these days the FoxyFluid. And one main purpose for this is shrink fluid for window painting. Let's go to it. So spray only a little bit like a dust on the window. That's all I need. So you only see it a little bit on the window. You don't need a lot of this. So I think this bottle, at least for 45-50 cars, around this 40-50 back windows. So now I let it dry, and it actually dries pretty fast. Now you have this little dust on the windshield, which makes the film on the end sticky from the outside, and we can shrink it. So I have a bigger panel of window tint film right now here, but I can put it on, and even when I put it on and hold it a little bit, it stays on the window. I can still move it up and down, but when I press it on, it stays on the window. So I cut off the extra piece with the wrap defender, so it's safe for the car that they don't scratch it, and safe for the window that they don't scratch it. After I cut the panel down, I still can open it and position it in the right position of the rock. I think this is good. Talking on a little bit, checking the outside, and it sticks on the window. So now I squeegee from the middle to the outside. Here, up and down, and also the right side. Only in the middle, up and down. So I use my heat gun, not at the hottest, I go around 6 now, and put the heat directly in this area on, and move slowly up in this position, slowly down here. I don't really need a squeegee right now, because the film sticks when I shrink it down directly to the window, so it cannot move. If I want to use a squeegee, I can use it now. So after shrinking the window now, I use again my wrap defender to cut the film, not the window. So after cutting down and have some small lifting points, some wrinkles here, I use my heat gun again to bring it on the window. So now the window is perfectly shrinked. You see how easy it goes. You still need to practice a little bit, I think, but this fluid helps a lot to make an easy window tint. You see it's perfect around. Now I would take the liner off, spray it on with a potion, and put it inside the window. Have fun with it.